This is our door decoration. So we use the Skittles and the pine straw and popcorn to complete this project. We also put the straws and we try to make our door decoration. This is the stones that the kids painted and we used that as a stone. This is the mountain. For the mountain we use the bark of the tree and which is covered with the snow, so the white glue looks like the snow and the tissue paper looks like a cloud. And we went with the March theme of St. Patrick, and this is our door decoration. We use even the animal crackers as animal, and it's a working project. We are still working on it. So the kids are going to color some more and decorate for their classroom door. And the kids were highly engaged when we completed this activity.